Peace, love, and light. Oh my freaking gosh. Alright, so look here, man. You know how I just told y'all that? Well, I just got a freaking call from the freaking about the freaking phone ring, and I was, now I'm hesitant to how to answer a freaking hotel room number because I don't know who it is, and I'm going like that, and then she started to speak. It was the housekeeper. I'm sorry, the freaking worker at the freaking what the hell they call it, front desk, and she's like, yeah, hi, yeah, you know what? She's calling now. She's talking about this. She's a doctor. She's a lawyer. Or she's got doctors. She's a lawyer, something like that. She needs a transfer. Why can't I transfer to your room, whatever? And she said, "Oh no, I won't transfer you. This and that. I'm not gonna transfer you." I said, "I'm the manager. I'm the manager of this, the manager of this property. I will not transfer it." And she's like, "Yeah." She said, "Yeah, you need to call the police." But I'm just like, "Oh, okay." I'm like, "Wow." I said, "Okay," and I said, "Will you vouch for me?" She said, "Yeah," and I'm like. She said, "Right now, there's police on her property." I said, "Really?" I said, she's like, because I thought she was saying that she was here at first. I'm like, "She's here." I'm like, "Oh, this is so aggravating, cuz, like, y'all niggas don't even know, like, if y'all do," because I'm like, and then she's saying, "Call the police." I genuinely don't know what the police is going to do over a freaking, like, phone call, like, you know what I'm saying? Because one, they like to say that, "Oh, it's just your mother," or something like that. Sometimes, and they like to say, "Oh, it's the domestic, it's a domestic or family. We can't really do anything about it." But she's saying I need to call police. I don't know if I really should. Like, just wonder. I'm literally just wondering. This is something. This is something indeed. She's telling people she's a doctor. She's a lawyer. Like, and I'm like, is she talking about her sibling? But I'm like, her siblings are not lawyers. One of them is a podiatrist, a foot doctor. But I mean, like, she's telling me she's a doctor, she's a lawyer now. She's telling this or that. She said she doesn't care. She's like, "You're not transferring it to the guest." She's not giving out any personal information. She let me know that. So I'm like, frick. Probably. I just don't want the police at my freaking door. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to have to deal with that bull crap. I'm wondering what's going on. Wonder what I'm gonna do. But yeah, and I still gotta make phone calls. Still was making some moves today. I had a lot of information for somebody, cause still about moves so we can get situated out of here. This is just so crazy. Okay, let me think now. But yeah, check out the links in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Peace, love, and light.